Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. It's been quite a while. There is not much going on at Canada's Wonderland, but some mystery things have appeared in the park, and we'll get right to that in a second. So there are definitely some hints to the location of the... Hold on, I think we're getting some... Alrighty, so for those of you that don't live under a rock, you already know that Leviathan has a little bit of its track segment at a very important part of the drop removed. And a lot of people think this is a lot more serious than it actually is. Now, I do want to express that everything I'm about to discuss in this video is the opinions of myself, Brendan Cross, and nothing more. So, Leviathan, in a similar-ish, in a much smaller scale, from my opinion, has pulled a Fury and had a little bit of a crack in a very important part of the ride. Now, Wonderland is a park that takes maintenance extremely seriously, and they were able to catch this very early on. So it needed repairs, and all that I can tell is that they are waiting on some parts to do some welding, and they should have the ride back up as soon as this welding is done. It does not need the similar 1000 test to Fury, as it was not a ride-related accident. It was regular maintenance, and it was caught. So this is very good news for those that are really hoping to get on Leviathan. It could be even open as early as tonight, if all goes well. I could even see this being open tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. It all depends on how the welding goes. But yeah, it is a very key part of the ride. If you've noticed, it's one of the track segment connector pieces. So definitely going to need some extra care, but I just wanted to explain exactly what was going on, because a lot of people were sending me DMs being like, what happened? What happened? Nothing serious. This is actually a lot more common than you think. And for parks that don't normally have people that fly drones or are there on the daily, these things go unnoticed. In fact, I can tell you a lot of your favorite attractions at Canada's Wonderland and other parks around the world have this kind of thing happen pretty regularly. So expect to have Leviathan open very shortly, and you can rest assured that they're going to try their best to get this as open as soon as possible, and your safety is not at risk. Again, this is a very normal maintenance, preventative maintenance kind of task that is going on. Anyways, have a good one, guys. Bye.